You're viewing a step-by-step to replace your stovetop. This is a GE brand. To safe off your work, close the gas valve and disconnect electrical. I'm disconnecting the gas line and fitting from the old stovetop to reuse on the new. Skip this step if you've purchased new lines and fittings. Install provided hold-down brackets on the new appliance. Install previously removed fitting or new one if purchased on the new regulator. Even though I'm using thread tape, keep in mind a compression-style fitting doesn't require thread tape or compound. It could interfere with how tight the seat on the fitting can get. Turn on the gas. Use soap and water to check for leaks. Apply soapy water mixture on fittings and verify there are no bubbles. If bubbles are seen, close the gas valve and repair leak. Repeat steps until no bubbles are seen. Thank you for watching.